You know what? I'm gonna make a series.
What?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I made Dance Revolution. Wait, what was it again? It's Revolution. Oh, okay. The Dance Revolution. And this is gonna be a new series called Tech Wiring. I kind of forgot what to say, so this is the intro. You heard what the board says. Alright, I'm gonna pass this to DJ Decimator to explain how this thing works.
Yo, it's DJ Decimator, and the way this works is you click one of these, it corresponds to this, and you can unactivate it with these tiles. The goal is for this person to get all 4 of these tiles filled up with light. And if you mess up, whoops, it turns on. And that is how Dance Revolution works. Passing it on to Absolute Anarchy.
Alright, time to play this goofy game. I have no idea what to say next. Alright, you ready, DJ Decimator?
Yeah!
Alright, 3, 2, 1, Dance Revolution! Bro, oh my... Bro, how'd you already win? You're cheating, bro. You're cheating. Bro, pass it faster! Oh, wait, wait, chill. Wait, chill! No! You're cheating, bro. You're cheating. Like, DJ Decimator, like, you're off the team, bro. Like, get off. Get off!
I'm just too good of a DJ.
Bro, what?
Remember to sub to Anarchy!
Please subscribe! Literally, like, 0% of my viewers subscribe to me! Please!
Oh, and one last thing. Before you go, if you're, like, wondering, wait, this is a 2-person thing? I don't have any friends! Well, you can always use a radioactive bomb right in the middle to play against you.
Yay! I don't need friends anymore!
But they are goated at the game, so be careful. Don't do this at home.
Anyways, thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of Tech Wiring. Yo!
At 3K
this
subscribers, we will show you every single one. And for every 4K likes on a video, we will separately explain every bit of it.
Yeah! Because I'm not doing all that.